Anyway,
like that.
in case you dey imagine, all those everything where you see, now Daniel, now he shoot everything. All those ones where he get small picking.
Now he shoot by himself.
Now he shoot
AKA him be one man mopo.
One man mopo.
Yes.
Some of them be like adverts. Nico don't they here? Now Hamatan.
But you wear polo now.
Go they catch you, Abi. Just say no go off AC.
Almost fresh.
Now by 4 fresh. Say you go die, call they go to kill. Say you want fresh. You go there, you pretend you die. Say cold. I will do an kitchen video about that. Girls that are forming. No, I can take it. Meanwhile,
Get in here.
Meanwhile, you're dying inside. Anyway, tell us.
Thunder!
No, the thunder 2 times. How about they write out, you know.
Thunder of tomorrow. Thunder of tomorrow. Thunder of tomorrow. The thunder that will fire you. It will leave an aftertaste of burnt moi moi for 4 weeks in your mouth. Bon appetit.
Remember, give you idea.
Of thunder.
Yes.
I feel forget too.
No.
Tell me now. Tell me for ear. Anyway, tell us, Daniel. We be hearing you did an athlete you be before.
Hey!
What's
So
athlete?
I did get that, I did get those questions a lot of times, but is my namesake, not be me.
Oh.
Okay.
Your
So they are, yes.
What's your name? My brother, please talk the truth.
So now, person when they answer your name.
Yes,
But
the person
resemble
went
you.
thief my identity, not resemble me.
Ah.
No, you know thief my identity. The person went before me because, okay, Daniel Effiong is a Nigerian athlete.
Okay.
You get? He's a known, renowned Nigerian athlete.
Okay.
400 meters champion.
Wow.
Did Olympics, I think.
I know be
got
your
a-
brother, your cousin.
No,
or-
no, 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 no. It's just my namesake.
Wow.
That's why I had to put Etim in my name, that middle name.
Okay,
to differentiate.
Daniel
Yes,
Etim
so people-
Effiong.
Yes, exactly. So Daniel Effiong, my name is Daniel Effiong, yes, and there are many other Daniel Effiongs. And the guy who runs is a Daniel Effiong as well,
Hey,
but not be
Nasu
me.
the Congo catch one and drop am now. A name go be Daniel Effiong now.
I not sure see people get to go obey your name. Oh.
Me?
Hard. Or
No.
maybe easy.
Yeah.
You get assurance. You get somebody. For you know say if you dey
Except me like
check,
Chris.
if you dey check, you got that other time when we say admission go come outside. You go dey look for your
see some kind name
for
there.
newspaper. You go see somebody that say your name. Then from another state. Now the person come from. I don't see him before. Now I don't see people say answer my name before now.
Oh boy, you go this somehow.
I don't, and the person if you see him. Anyway, now all these movies, you dey act, you
Con
dey
shoot.
shoot
How you
at the
dey do
same
am?
time. How you take the do am?
Okay, so I start from acting.
Okay.
Okay, so that was my first love. My first love in acting. I started to act for church and then started to act in school. And then as I can't act, I can't realize, say, standing behind the camera is also fun. Because I'm very, because I they look how how directors and producers, they run their shows. So I can't, get interest for the directors and for the producers. Then I say, make I try one time. And I tried it and it was fabulous. So I started to, direct stage plays for church and for school.
Okay.
And there I start. So after that one, I can, start to write, and then I can start to produce and direct my own stuff. And then, but acting has always been my, I don't know, I do it once, no. I act once a while. Do you get? So, and every time I act, people, they always tell me, say, man, guy, this guy, you're bad.
You know, say you get bad guy look. You know that, see that time when he arrange in the capo.
So
Sit down there, come carry remote.
So I just dey act as my side gig, but my main gig na filmmaking.
So if you say you know act, you know do film, what do you for do?
I get degree for chemical engineering.
Hey!
So and I don't work for oil and gas. in Nigeria.
You call it there?
Before I decide, say, man, man, they live once, and man will die once. So
What's your family
I
member stop when you
decide
come
to
out?
do wetin I find fulfillment in.
Wetin dey sweet you?
Yes, wetin dey sweet my belly. So it was a big fight with family, big fight with, you know, people that
We pay your
paid my
school fees.
fees and all that. So that was my struggle for a bit, but it's obvious that, you know, I pushed through, overcome everything, and here I am today.
Before I forget this question now, Katim, we want to ask you one question: how much? Because for you to leave oil, because any guy will hear oil company. You don't know when I read oil, you they say no. I've been engine oil. It don't follow you. When they say the money where film they give you, it more pass the one way oil and gas they give you. Or as you take talk, is your hundum. You know what they call hundum? When something is your palidon.
From your body.
From your body.
From down below the body, it come up.
That all the way stuck
Yes.
now.
Yes.
That all the now. But now, make I ask you, as you did so now, you don't, how, all those girls we go see, we say, oh my God, Daniel! Oh, take my brazier! Oh, take! All girls where they treat for you, I think they handle them. They handle them where they keep the, okay, you number one, you number two, you on Tuesday, you on Wednesday, you know, something like that.
Get timetable.
They get the, okay, they try you.
But no, not joke, I joke. First of all, I don't know where you get the information. Say girls, they, you know, they
Remember
run
that
after
happened,
me.
that thing, we know
But
it now.
since you asked the question,
you see mark for our face.
Since you asked the question, first of all, I did very friendly. So I did use style convert all my.
Okay, you did zone them.
Yes, you know.
Yeah, it's zonist.
And I believe say some things they more important than other things, like friendship.
Some things they more important than other things. Isn't it? You know that. You know those things. Are you?
If somebody they follow passion and your passion they,
your passion still there that side.
No, if passion they in another.
Make I ask you. Ma ask you.
You go follow that.
You see, to add to this question, we Katim they ask you now. You now filmmaker, and your idea based on what I see for those shots, those reels when they say them put together. Now, people go see your movie. Say, man, this guy he get depth as in he where in the thing go. Most people know the thing go there. They come look in and say, Nigeria never make blue film before. Daniel, if we pay you, you will make good blue film for us. Then also, if you act inside the game,
now you go director.
Now you go be director. Now you go.
I want a different one.
Then Daniel talk through and shame the devil. They can say they go give you $20 million.
Yes.
My brother.
And money they did the thing.
So make just 1 hour. 1 hour.
Just 1 hour. Of Kim Kardashian kind of wiping movie. My brother, say the truth and shame the devil. You go do am.
Make a think.
Me, I know what I go do.
we know what we go. No, we say we know what we
How
go.
much you talk again? How
$20
much?
$20 million.
And you know how much dollars we
$20
now?
million. I know.
Daniel
in the lion's den.
Daniel.
No. I don't think I'm well.
It's okay.
I know go do.
We know what you go do. We not go just stack them. Anyway, our phone lines on the open. We're gonna begin the call to take for talk to Daniel.
Sell your market.
Sell your market. All the guys, he want Mario. All of you, tomorrow and another Saturday.
We go wedding.
You go wear another Ashebi. They go marriage. Some of you now go don't wear sleek 65 for Ashebi.
Yes.
You don't sell your wardrobe. You don't see all of them now. You're going to drag souvenir for people wedding. Your house don't become museum of souvenir.
You go stand for there. I want to carry the bouquet. I want to catch the
then
bouquet.
Then you're going to complain. Can you imagine the mix they serve in that wedding? It's not if you, my sister, do your own wedding.
Oh, can you
God
imagine
will bless you.
wedding? Will you believe that nobody even looked me once? It's very troubling to me.
Can you imagine they didn't even serve me food? It was only to speak. They came to serve me. So therefore, the Lord is ministering to you. You has a potential husband. Yeah. See, I may done the pose.
Yes.
You are going to have a posing family. Call it now. Our phone number is on top of TV. Now, quickly, make I ask you, Dano. You do chemical engineering for school. We even carry you enter oil and gas work before you can resign. What's in be that thing we as a kid when you grow up? What's in be that thing? Because you get something where you don't see from growing up, where it go make you say, man, I love this thing. Now this thing I get passion for. What's in be that thing where lead you? And we be the people when we say the one at a time. What's in be that thing where move you?
One at a time.
to change industry.
Waiting me that thing will catch you from small.
Okay.
Why you never do one? Because you know say.
Because from small,
Me, I
the thing
know
don't
what I
catch
be
you.
want do when I small.
You understand?
When they go, when they change them, as you know.
Waiting me that thing when you be say you see, you all love her quickly. Just say man, now yeah, I die.
When I small, I did draw.
Okay.
They use all my exercise books, draw comics. They beat me well because because I did
Imagine
draw
your
for
school
all my exercise books. I did tear them, they draw well, and I did tell my friends film. Well, I go gather my friends for primary school. I be the guy, and I did lie, give them. I did film. I did, I go remember only like 10 minutes of the film, but I go tell the whole film. They add, they remove, they add actors.
So they have to come. As they have to come land.
Babadam, soundtrack, everything.
After your land, gang.
I did tell you.
So now in the after come look the boss. Jim.
And me be that
Because
guy.
if you move, I move you. So now you have to come on gun. Fiam.
Then they go say,
Baka.
do you
Baka.
do you know whether the actor died or not? They go say, I will tell you.
Good news. Good evening.
Good evening.
How is not be there and let them here. Anyway, good news. How you doing?
You are not with me, oh.
Are you with me?
You are not with me for that time for months.
No vex. We don't forgive. We don't not forgive us.
We dey upgrade some things.
We
But
dey-
we are back now.
You see, what to make us come out that time? And I said we dey try upgrade something so that when we come back now.
Hello?
Hello, give one.
Is it this?
Boss, screaming.
So everything we are talking now, you know here. Now junk file he enter. Good news. Good night.
Yeah.
Good news. Good news. Funny news. Good night. Your call don't enter voicemail.
Yes.
So you now continue say they lie. Yeah, lies.
I just they
The lie
give
they tell you
them,
thing.
and I can't be very popular for school then because to me the narrator of the story. So from there, then I can't start to act for like school plays and school drama
Now
and
they
all those
start,
kind of things. Now there I just did popular. So people just saw me as the guy, that fine
So
boy.
now you say from
When they
small.
act, when they, tell film well. So that's not there everything starts.
Even that time, guests know they follow you. Those, Oh, Daniel.
I don't know what you talk about.
Danny B.
They go do like that.
Danny B.
Then you go say, how are you? You go say,
Blessed, good evening.
Good evening.
Hi, now men they call you. How you doing? Hey, Blessed.
Fine, they do.
How are you with me?
I am with you.
Talk to us. We dey hear you. How came you state today?
Fine, oh.
Ngwa,
The
talk
weather
to us.
normal. Rain report today, sir.
Oh, rainfall. You catch fish?
Argungu.
Oh, yeah, talk to us. We dey hear you.
Daniel Alpha.
I'm good that day. How you doing?
Fine, how's the ministry moving?
Solid, man. The ministry is
Well
moving to
done,
permanent
oh.
site.
More grease to your elbow.
Thank you.
Hello?
We dey hear
More
you,
grease to
Blessed.
your elbow. Hello?
You don't hear the grease part.
I got to greet him. Oh.
He don't hear you now.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank God say you not call to Mariam. Now hear wahala for day. Stanley from Abuja, good evening.
Do my man.
Hey, my man, are you with me?
I'm with you.
I'm going to talk to us. We got Daniel Effiong here.
Cousin, how are you?
Sweet man, I do.
Sweet man, okay?
You look beautiful.
I'm telling you, it's my talent.
Daniel, how are you too?
I do, Baba, I do. How now?
I better your time. My brother, you too much.
Correct.
Monday, buddy, yes.
Easy beat, my man. The
Boss,
man of
good
the
evening,
day.
sir. Baba.
I dey hear you.
I hear you too, Baba.
I just dey come back from work. I dey admire all your programs.
Hey, yeah, thank you, Stanley.
I say make I hear una.
You don't collect salary?
Never collect. They change and everything come dabaru.
Hey, yeah. No worry,
When
go
you
better.
go collect them?
When you go collect your salary?
I never reach now today. No be fair.
A month don't finish now.
Maybe by next week after Salah.
After Salah. Yeah. What you going to carry do Salah? Anyway, Stanley, thank you very much. When you collect, remember us in your kingdom. Good night. Now, you see, what it make me feel relate with what you talk about being the person when you carry enter movies. Because for you, to the gist people movies,
Yes.
now small parts, you can't create other parts. It means that you get picture brain.
Yes.
When you say, oh, they see them. I remember that time, you get one movie that time when they say, we they watch them together, my friend can't sleep off, Isaac. I can never forget the ending of that movie, where the after and the boss, they enter machine, come fly, go somewhere, go, they fight. And I did the one, kill one. The one for no survive, because you know go feel come out. And so the boss can't look the actor. Yeah. If you kill me now, how you go take go? Davachi, good evening. Davachi, good evening. From Dubai. Davachi from Dubai, good evening.
Good evening. Nedu.
How Dubai today?
Dubai just there.
Talk to us today. We'll get Daniel Effiong inside studio.
Daniel.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
Correct.
I want to ask you one question.
Yes, sir. Fire.
When you started the art, now inside the lab,
See, they say Bele.
You feel like saying inside Bele, don't be lying.
I want to know who acted the movie now because I will direct them.
Oh, the Bella Nabi.
Which movie be that?
Now, Papa, now the director. He director where? Then Mama, now the producer of the movie.
Now the producer.
Then he now be the actor.
Nedu, yeah, make any way.
Now me will hold the keys to heaven. My brother, now me they give people keys to heaven. Then now don't give her one room for heaven.
For we are
That back room.
go.
That you will not make heaven. I know.
Now you not go make heaven.
And I will make sure you don't make heaven.
Because now you hold the key.
Because now me hold the key. 3.
To the kingdom.
To the kingdom. Daberachi, I'm going to thank you very much. Thank you for calling. Greet everybody for Dubai. All those your girls where they there. Greet them.
Peace before you sleep.
Peace before you sleep. Not peace for bed.
Yes.
Good night. So I tell you now. Now so the boss can't look the after.
If you kill me.
Oh. After. If you kill me now, how you go take go? Only you one not gonna know how to work out here. Shake me. May we succeed. You know how they do all this at Telemundo? They can't do the shake. Gang, 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 3 times. Then the after can they move the hands small. Gang, 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 gang.
Then one hand there for
one hand can they back. Gang, 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 gang.
Draw the gun.
Then he still hold the gun for here. Now the boss can say, you still hold your gun. Drop arm, drop arm, drop arm. 3 times.
Sure.
That's so you can't drop. You have to contact boss. You still hold your gun. Drop your own. Drop your own. Drop your own. Say, oh yeah, now maybe we drop them at the same time.
So 2 of them can they go down together?
Can they go down together? Can they bring hand together? As after can drop your own. Boss one can carry your own again. Now after say no, can carry your own. Say you are shitting me now.
So you are a storyteller now.
Wahala.
That's what
and they try to do what
No. I they follow you.
And they try to do what they do. Now, Daniel, how many movies you don't produce movies, short movies?
Yes.
Or
I never make any feature film yet.
Okay.
My first feature film is still in the works.
okay.
But I've done several short films. I've done documentaries.
Okay.
I have done commercials. So right now, what I mostly do is corporate videos and commercials.
Which are the corporate videos for company?
Yes.
Oh,
exactly.
like advert now.
Yeah,
Oh.
so you shoot adverts for company.
Oh, company. So company when they say they sell
For
okpa,
corporate use.
like this and now, package okpa and all those things. You
Just call
what
me
do you
say,
think?
go shoot.
Company when get guests for hire, how they want to do that kind of
Go get girls for hire. Hi, Katim. You know something you think?
No, now you
Where your mind they go?
now you ask me.
No, that one I go still
lie
shoot
for you
them. I
now.
go shoot the video
But you
professionally.
know, we shoot the blue film. I think.
No, that one blue film different from that one now.
No, not through
Yeah,
different.
they
But what
different.
they going through your mind?
No, I just think. I still saying they do office shooting, so I don't know. I just think and say, oh, now office now.
But may I ask you now,
Now
which one they
everything
pay
gets
better to the produce or be to the act? Because I they say to the produce, if I say the stress they more, but at the same time, as the stress they more, now you they in control.
Yeah.
You could decide where within they go. So which one they better?
Before I quit oil and gas, I was
Sorry, hold the question. From Ikoyi, good evening. Ikorodu, good evening. Victoria.
Good
evening.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, Edu, I love you so much. I also love your program.
Hey, we love you too. You know what, marry Daniel?
What do you say?
You want marry Daniel?
No,
Who you want marry?
I just love you. I love the way you speak.
Oh, the way I speak like this now.
Yes, and I love your character also.
Hey, no, thank you.
Which kind of
I just want to greet you.
Thank you. I agree. Thank you.
You know great is it?
You say your character.
Now your love. Is it your character?
Your character.
Is
your character?
Do you know your character, Nedu?
From Ilorin, good evening.
Hello.
Hey, my brother, na men they call me.
Hello,
JT Money. Oh, not be E Money. JT Money. Good evening.
Now the cousin of
Good evening.
You and E Money are brothers.
No, be my brother.
You know JT money.
You get your own money.
Yes, I get my own money personally.
Personally.
Yes, sir.
Why we never hear you? I mean, no artist they call your
This
name.
is my first caller.
Oh yeah, wait now. Receive it.
Are you with me?
I am with you one day. What talk your talk? We put the name day here. Oh, who? You has who? JT Money. Your money not fake money. Your money is an audio. We not the same.
Your money is audio mode.
It's audio mode. We not the same. Now back to the question I asked.
Yes. So it gets stage for my life where I did make more money from acting than filmmaking.
Okay.
But I suspect things are shifting.
Okay.
So that now I did make more money from filmmaking than acting. So it just depends. It depends on because right now I'm based in Johannesburg right now.
Okay.
As I'm speaking to you right now, and I came to Nigeria for a project.
Okay.
I can't shoot film for Nigeria.
Okay.
So, but when I was based here, I was getting more acting.
Okay. So as you
But when
did there now, you dey get more
I did get more filmmaking jobs for
How
there.
you they get money to do this? You are filmmaking. Say as you they suspect, say things are going to the permanent side. So how do you used to get your money for all this project?
They pay for the project now. They fund them. I know they use my money. They make.
Okay, they pay you.
When I started, I was using my money, but now.
From Joss, patient. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
First time caller.
Hey! I am receiving.
Thank God for welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening. Thank God for Dandielo. Yeah.
Wait,
Okay,
patient.
hello, Daniel.
Hey, how you doing,
I'm
Patience?
fine.
Hi, you okay, my sister?
You can so for the yen gangon.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so girl, no one know your phone
Ask her
nang
whether I want
gantum.
marry Daniel.
Honestly, me come.
Me come de me do ibe.
Yo.
Yeah, I think me do yan ganyo me ba ami. I do very sweet boy. Nsido, iya ya kikem.
But for me, you want now.
Ndi on
Guys,
to. I sister ndi on but tegero.
Ay.
So you know what I am.
Okay, I just called to say hi.
Oh.
Good night. Bye.
I see one man say no. He said, "Why say me? I know now." I said, "I don't know anything. No. I don't know."
Hello, good evening. Austin.
Austin.
Go check yourself.
I go.
Hello?
Hello, Austin.
Yeah, hello?
Hello. Talk to us when they hear you.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
I do.
Hello.
My brother.
My brother.
Hello?
Hey.
Edu Afana.
Eduafana.
How you doing?
How you doing?
How you happen now?
How you happen now?
Edu, how you happen now?
Happen now.
Now, what is your own now?
Now what is your own now?
Edu, what is your own now?
Now what is your own now?
I there with you.
I there with you.
Edu, they your own no.
Now do they your own no?
This is the place.
It is the place. Bye.
That's it.
Good night.
When you know they off your radio.
Wait, now
how
they
you
off
go-
your TV.
Your TV.
We're going to give you to 1-1.
Don't worry.
You think he has sense.
Don't worry.
Now, Daniel, before come up, we get like 4 minutes to come up for inside studio now. But quickly, make I ask you, and what's be the things that you work on now? And before you answer what you work on, what thing you could talk say be the problem of movie making for Nigeria? Because I see the things where you shoot. It not be like all those YouTube adverts.
Yes. Now say it be.
It not be like normal.
That's
In other words,
fresh.
too clean.
It too clean. It too clean. I not go like.
Maybe in equipment come directly from heaven. Because about the.
Now, what be the problem, just quickly, of Nigerian movie making industry?
I find out how to answer that question because the industry, the Nigerian film industry, Nollywood, is still growing. You know, and many times we like compare Nollywood with Hollywood and with, you know, all these industries, they don't date there for some time. And they've made their mistakes and they've grown and they've learned and, you know, they're at a stage where they are now for certain reasons. Okay, so I make people, because even myself, as you see my videos, I never even reach. You know, you get levels and you get stages when I won't reach, when I never even reach there yet. So we are all still learning and growing. There are many people in the industry today, when I know say they do fabulous work. So we must celebrate those people. And those people that are not doing things that we like yet, we must encourage them to learn and grow.
Okay,
good. You get any mentor?
That's what I got to say. Absolutely. I've worked with certain people that I love and I respect. Effiong is one of them. Effiong is based in South Africa. Fantastic filmmaker. I love him. Mildred Oko is another woman that I love and respect. Her work ethic, I think it's marvelous, fantastic, and she's a friend. And lastly, Judy Dada. He's a writer and a wonderful friend.
Now, quickly, we don't come out, no time. For those who want to follow you on top social media handles, where they go take follow you? What's your handles?
My handle is Etim, @Etim, Twitter, EETIMM, @EETIMM.
Anyway, when I don't hear you now, EETIMM. Follow them on top Twitter, Instagrams, and all of them. We not get time for today, so therefore, we the rush come out. Follow them so that you go know the things where they work on, how you go get on them. If you be babe, we know why you share yourself.
Slide into his DM.
Slide into his DM.
No guys,
No guys, no. Anyway, bye-bye. Everyone get better weekend.
To enjoy more of these our ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.